Welcome to another trade of the month. In this trade, I looked at 3D Systems, a US company. The symbol is DDD. The reason was an inverse head and shoulders that had formed here on the daily chart. It's actually not so obvious on the daily chart, but more obvious on the intraday chart. Here it is. This is the inverse head and shoulders on a 1 hour chart. You can see the clear head, left shoulder and right shoulder. So the trade was at $2.1350, which was where I've drawn this blue line as it broke out of the inverse head and shoulders. The first target was 225.80 and the second target was 233. So let's see how it panned out. These trades are sent out free of charge. If you'd like to subscribe to them, click on the link below. It hit the first target the next day near the top of this topping tail candle here, and the next day it shot up dramatically and reached the second target of 235 during that day. Of course, it did continue beyond that, but that really doesn't matter. That was about a 10% gain, and that was a 6% gain. So overall, we had approximately an 80% gain on this trade, and that's of course using an unleveraged instrument. If you're using leverage like a CFD, the gain would have been quite a lot more. You'll notice after that the share collapsed, been selling off sharply, and that's the benefit of having fairly close targets. It does reduce the risk from a short-term trading point of view, particularly if using leverage. Also, the price hit this rising trend line and has been selling off since then. These trades are sent out free of charge. If you'd like to subscribe to them, click on the link below, totally free. And thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.